Please click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications.
This man again. Hello landlord. I been telling you I know they around now. I don't come out. I know they around. See, I dey worry now. Travel, I know they Lagos. Landlord. Once I come back, I will call see you. Thank you. No, wahala. Thank you, sir. Oh, this landlord now. What's happening now? Hello, landlord. See, I know they are around. I come out last week. I come out. Wow. See, ba, if I come back, I know they do now. I dey Lagos. Oh, who be this now? All this landlord, now so they go to stop person. Hello, landlord. See, I know they are around. I know they must state again. I dey Lagos. I go show now. You know, say me na comedian. I go show for Lagos. Landlord, you know Lagos? You don't know there now. I mean there. What's the time sound? Yo! Hey! Don't be like that. Take a beg. If later I come give you the remaining balance, I beg. Don't be balance. Yes, I beg. I'm sure. No. Landlord. I saw go bring am o.
I know.
No, I go bring am.
If you good boy now, you go bring am.
My class. Landlord na.
Yes. You know your parcel.
Landlord. My abeg na abeg na.
You do that for me.
No be like that. No be like that na.
Landlord, my food, do my money. I'll give you everything.
Hey, landlord.
Someone cannot play with you. Is that how you used to do? Okay, you did too.
Please click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications.